What's up, guy? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Halabeb Official, and guys, today I'm trying to shoot these videos on early morning here, and let me check my local time before you move, guys. So I'm keep mine on time. So it's 10:12 a.m. That's my local time, and technically today it's a calm day, and man, you can have beautiful breeze from this forest here. And thank you so much for those people who are watching these videos. Much greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where I'm watching this vlog for today. And kindly, in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, and also you can share these videos. I really appreciate, man. So I wake up early in the morning in my village here. I need to do 1, 2, 3 because since I was born, my mom take care of me. Not only me, even my young sister, my young brothers. So took care of us in general. And then apart from that, I want to feel that pain, how to recover it. Because I was crying since I was young. Mom, oh, when I'm young. Guys, I know you know how some young kid behave. And then my mom take care of me, feeding me, giving me some food, buying me some clothes, paying me for school fees. Man, I must do so. So today my mom haven't any clue about, but I'm just do these videos as a random videos from this beautiful forest here, as you can see. So right now I'm heading to Border Town because it's a special videos and beautiful sceneries. If you have a parent at home, man, just surprise him. Just surprise them, because that's the best way you can get blessing. And to be honest, since I was mature enough, I didn't ever go to my mom's bedroom, ever. But yesterday I went there and I'm feeling like 100% I'm crying. But today that thing touched me. Since yesterday night I didn't sleep. I said, oh my God, I wanna wait this day to be until morning, and like this. And I thank God it's morning here, and the issue that I see on my mom's bedroom, it touched me a lot, and I want to do so. But I don't want to analyze this on these videos, but I want to see what I'm going to purchase, and automatically or psychologically you might understand. But it's not a big issue. So right now my mom, she doesn't have any clue about it, but I will make it. So guys, to be honest, in other way, there is one term said, or new word said, thinking big, dream hard. So I'm thinking big, and at the same time I'm dreaming hard. So I'm just here to showing you this vlog for today. And kindly, guys, you can supporting me by watching my videos, like, and also subscribe. Load to 5k subscriber. I'm almost there, guys. And the good thing is, every day when I'm uploading my videos, I want to get a new member on my YouTube channel, or in another way I get a new subscriber. I really appreciate for those who are welcome for the first time and watching these videos, subscribing, do everything. Man, I'm so proud, man, a lot. So right now I'm heading home, so I need to pick my motorbike and do all stuff. So I'm heading this way and then going this way, you know. So I'm coming from the Bohanse village. I was charging my GoPro and then I need to vlog today. So right now I'm heading home and then say mom hello and then boom 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 to Border Town, you know. Oh man. And I really advise young generation, like for me, if you are my underage or if you are the same age like for me and you are watching these videos, kindly take care of your parents. Take care, because that's the kind of blessing coming. What's up, nigga? Hey guys, sorry for saying that word, and in quote, it can't be allowed. Sorry. Alright, what's up? You good? So this is my mom's cow. They really tried the best and they have already feeding them here early in the morning. So we have another one here. This cow is pregnant, but soon you're gonna milk it. Hey, what's up? You good? Yes. So that is how our African cows looks like. Very amazing, very beautiful, man. And today, thank God, the weather is so conducive, man. Wow. So I'm struggling with some light here. You have another one here, a small calf over here. But for those three calves that you see, big one, small one, the mother is this one here, grazing. In case you're new here, guys, this is where I'm calling home. This is where I'm born and raised, in this small village here. You see, it's chilling. What's up? So this is the mother of that three calf, big one and small one that you see over there, and that one here. But in case you're new here, man, this is where I'm living. This is where I'm doing everything. Don't be confused, man. You know, don't be confused. So I'm just coming from this small home over here. Wow. So right now I've already taken my motorbike outside and I need to disappear from this village here. You know, this is my motorbike over here. So right now I thank God I have my motorbike. I can do my own thing, my own stuff. So the only thing is to put the fuel or to fill the fuel here, full tank, or maybe the amount of money that I have. So I'm ready to go. So like now I'm ready to go to the Border Town because this is most affordable. You can afford it and you can hire and ready to go in other way. So this is some keys here and I need to, because this stuff is not working because of the wiring, this starter, I must use the kick. And you are ready to go. Oh my God. Right. So everything shall be okay. And I've been shocked. I was turning that motorbike to be on and then it's on gears. But guys, guess what? I wanna resuming back to my project before I leave. Wow. What's up? These are orphan kids of the goat. her mother died, and then the remaining it's alone here. We have two of them. We have one here and the second one there. So guys, don't ask me, I'm not quitting my project, I'm just here. So next week I want to start this foundation here. I'm going to Darwin. So I miss it a lot. Wow, I missed a lot. So it's a delicate, but next week, by God's willing, I want to start this foundation here officially, and by putting some stones here, and then on top we cover some steel bar. And let me show you my blocks, and then it's my time to leave. Right now I think so. This is my motorbike over here. I think everything shall be okay. So I'm heading this way. I need to check my block, and then boom boom, I leave this village right now. So I need to do something special to my mom, you know. Alright, so there's another motorbike here for my brother, to my father over there, so for my uncle in general. So I'm heading this way, and then I need to look at it. My blocks, okay, it's okay. When my time allowed, I could start my project. So you see, it's hey. Wow. So this is my block over here. In other way, this is my project here. I want to start building some toilet, but the big issue is steel bar. So when I get soon steel bar, I want to resume. But today's videos, not talking much of my project. It's a surprise by itself. So I want to show you. But I'm heading this way. Over there is my brother's project, plantation of kales. Over here. Amazing views, man. Wow. You can see this is the kales, so called sukuma wiki. But in US they call green collar, when I'm not wrong. Yeah. Wow. So I want to take you other way. So they didn't make some blocks over there, and then I'm going this way. Hey. Hey. So because I wear a white shirt, I can't go there to interfere with him. So let's see. This is bricks over here. So they make it, and then to get money for joining university. Yes. What's up, bro?
I'm good. We are continuing with our work.
Alright. They have already made some bricks. Okay. I'm just passing away and then saying hi to you. Yeah. Okay. Guys, this is how they struggle and make some bricks over here. So let's go. Alright. You see in our village here, 100% hardworking. Always, all the time. So guys, watching this vlog until the end, don't skip ads. And that's the best to support Hello Baby Official. And just relax, watch this video until the end, man. So I want to make my mom to be very, very proud. In other way, you said happy mom, proud mom, happy mom, proud mom. Wow, this is my grandma cow. So I'm heading this way, guys. In case you're new here, this is my grandma home. We have this same model of the house, like this one here. Okay, so I need to take my motorbike, and I feel like I haven't take any breakfast, but it is what it is, guys. So I want to make it those stuff. But 100% I'm not blagging things, so it's a surprise by itself, so I can't mention. You just wait until the end of these videos. So I'm passing on this highway here, and then I'm going this way to my home. Yeah, right here. So I want to say goodbye here. So stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. But I'm heading inside to pick some stuff, and then I'm going back to drive slowly until to the border town, man. Hey, I'm struggling with some light here, so every part you have shade, but on this station you can see me clear. So guys, I want to say stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. And guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this vlog for today? Hello baby, I'm always happy man, proud man. You must be proud and be any single minute you must be very, very happy. You must be smile, you know, don't be greedy enough. You must be smile, and then drop on the comment section. But here in my village, I'm always happy. I'm not greedy like no. Oh my good people, to cut this story to be short, I'm going to border town and to 1, 2, 3. So guys, today's videos, it's all about how to surprise my mom. Happy mom, proud mom. I surprise it for the first time. I think this is not for the first time. I surprise her every day. Even off camera, I surprise him. I'm surprising her. So, woo! I can't wait, guys. So I wanna say bye-bye. Let's meet for the next vlog, which is coming soon. Or next episode, which is coming soon. Wow. Yeah, so right now I'm leaving my village, so because it's hard to film when I'm riding my motorbike. So in the other way, I wanna hire my brother from another village here, but in the same village. He is my neighbor, so I wanna hire for him because he was the one who ride me while I'm vlogging. So we're not staying far away, but the good thing is this is the neighbor who bought this land, but my home is over there and his home is here, so it's just like 300 meters apart from there, from my home over there, coming there of this home. So I'm calling him because I need to vlog these videos and to take him to the border town, do all stuff. So this monkey jet is outside. So in case you're new here, I was being surprised by one of my friend called Monkia. Oh man, because of the light. One of my friend calling Monkia. He was the one who surprising me this. Alright guys, so it's our time to leave here. Hey. So we're heading to border town, man. Wow. I wanna say goodbye to the village for some few minutes. I wanna coming back with some special stuff. That's it. Okay, I'm telling him I came maybe sometime to purchase some bricks maybe for veranda of my house. So I'm outside, man. Wow, this is a corner. Be very careful, and In other ways, some people ask me, hello baby, you must bought 2 helmets. Man, I'll do so. Things is slowly. And today I'm not in hairstyle. So, but I will make today. Right. Wow. So this is how my village was. You know, every screen. That's my motorbike there. We'll charge it. It's a businesswoman over here. It's a distance from my home up to border town. But I want to say it's 1.5 kilometers from my home up to border town. We have a small shop over here. Okay, let's go. But at the far end, there's Cloud Joseph. We are the neighbor. Some distance, but it's the same village. Over there, in case you're new here, go and check Cloud Joseph. That's the land where he born and raised over here. The main road that they're going is this one here, going down to Cloud Joseph. Wow. You have a school here, a small school. It's called Achievers Academy. That is how you achieve in academic. Hey, nice mansion over there. Okay, let's go. Woo, happy man all the time. I feel so happy. But here is a maize plantation. We have like 4 hectares of the maize plantation going up to other side. Yeah. So this is how to adventure my village and to know what is going on. At the far end, we have a dump site. And man, every day when I pass here, I want to show you the dump site. You see the polythene paper everywhere, and this is a medicine man. This one trees here. You can see over the far end, that's the dump site, huge one. Okay, but when it's raining, when we have like it's raining and too much of the wind, you wanna have the bad smell here. I must be wonder for those people who are staying near on this dump site here that you see. Yeah, I wonder man, a lot. For those people who are staying, like you have some neighbors here and the dump site is over here. So I'm trying to imagine, you can see the gates. So, but it's my own issue. It's the tarmac road here. So we left the Mura. Oh. We hit the tarmac road, the main road. Wow. That is a bus station, bus stop. It's painted in yellow. So the reason why government of Kenya allowed school buses to be painted yellow like this one, during holidays, some school buses were being transported illegal stuff. So right now, they try to paint in yellow. So in case when it pass, you can't be stopped by the police officers, you know. So over here is my Roma Catholic Church. I'm a Roma, to be honest, I'm a Roma. If you are a Roma, let me know in the comment section. Wow, we have a spot on other school over there. So there's some activity going on that school over there. sorry, we have too much of the wind blowing. But you wanna see what's going on. I'm just outside, man. I know yesterday you missed my vlog because I was feeling headache and all stuff. But today I say no. Hey, don't Boboa. There's a Muslim kid over there. If you are Muslim, inshallah. Upcoming petrol station over there. So this is Border Town, in case you're new here. It's Border Town, Scraper Stores, or Scraper Metal dealer over there. The car caught fire over here. Welding car. That tuk-tuk. Let's go, man. Banana sailor. In the other way, you have some police station over here. So let's go. Okay. So I'm in Border Town. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Yeah. Hey, Johiri petrol station over there. Hey. It's a quiet day, but to be honest, today it's a market day, so that's why you see most of the people moving up and down. Today is on Saturday, so it's a market day. Wow. Victory Farms sold some fish over there. Guys, I'm just here, but I'm heading this way, so I need to purchase some stuff over here. Right. Okay. I need to buy stuff like this one over here. So let's see. I'm going to the main shop. I need to make my mom to be very proud, you know. Okay. The big problem that I had here is a music copyright. Okay. It's here. Unanikumbuka?
Mambo vipi?
Poa. Fresh. Ndio tuone kama kuna duvet. We have some bag. Okay. Wow, guys. Yes, we have curtain. This is like mine curtain here. Wow. So I need this stuff. You have already know, guys. Unauzaje ama tena umepandisha?
Haya hajapanda. Boss karibu.
Mko na huyo
Sasa si tupe iko tu ile moja.
Sasa maana kuna duwe yenye inakuga na pillowcase zake.
Ndio hii.
Offer. Lakini nyewe mna
nayo. Hii iko na 2 na iko na shuka 2.
Ndani? Ni shilingi ngapi?
Ni 1600.
Tuona shuka zake. Sasa alright guys, so it has some maybe I want some addition. Hakuna black
aje?
Duve niko black
plain.
Fungua hiyo tuone tu kwa.
Si unataka kwanza uone kama iko na shuka bado kwanza.
Oh, in case you're new here or you come to my village, come and purchase this blanket here. When it's cold, hey, you have some bag here. Wow.
Hizi mbili. Nashuka.
Yes. Na?
Nashuka.
Hiyo itafunika 6x5.
5x6.
Yeah, 5x6 because my bed of my mom is 5x6.
Si ni size moja. Hawezi weka 4 kama ya 5
Na duve ndani na kaidi.
Nakaa hivi.
Hakuna ile yenye inakaa kama nzito.
Si ununua hizi.
Hazina nini zake?
Nini hiyo? Hazina pillowcase.
Mbona?
Pillowcase ziko hapa. Ziko kando. Sasa hii haina pillowcase. Si hata iko sawa. Ama unaonaje?
Kwa sababu nilikuja nikanunua hii. Sasa hii kweli usiku utajifunika.
Kwa nini? Kwani sisi tunatumia guys?
Siko na baridi.
Hakuna. Hapa hakuna baridi hapa.
Na hii ni shilingi ngapi?
Hii ni 2200.
Mimi na ile siku nikauza 1700. Ndio unataka kunigonga.
Unajua zilipanda?
Hakuna kupanda.
Kwani
mimi nilinunua hapa nimefanya
ile kipindi. Si mimi ndio kukumbuka. Kwani hati nakugonga wewe? Si umekuja mara 2 na ule mama mlinunua kitambaa. Sio unaona kama mimi nakusahau.
Na hizi
gani?
Ikiko ma.
Hiyo ni sawa tu.
Maya nena.
Moja tu bado. Nakuja kutumia. Hadi hizi ziko na shuka. Hizi hazinaga. Hizi hata zinakujaga bila hata mfuko, sisi tunanunulia mfuko. Nikutolea hiyo one.
It's toy tone. So guys, I'm trying to found new toy star.
Star.
Yeah. Are more expensive, but I'm trying to purchase for my mom. It's so expensive, man, here, and it has some pillowcase, but I'll try to manage it. So hectic. Yes. Toy. You have carpet, you have another one here. So I'm trying to make it, man. So because I'm promised my mom and then I can't ignore it. John. Sasa rafiki ingekuwa na pillowcase.
So guys, ununue tu pillowcase. Utanunua tu pillowcase. Hii ni nzuri. Ama unaonaje boss?
Sasa sijui ni dada yako, sijui ni mke wako, ndo anichagulia kakara. Sasa si wanaume. I'm saying guys, you know lady are the best to choose in car, eh?
Ununue hata hii blue.
Blue gani?
Hii iko sawa.
Naja wendi hukucha hukuma.
Lady star no. Au kuchano wa makrab. Oh, kiro ni research kiro. Ni research.
Man, let me know in the comment section. I'm trying to find some good color. Hey. Wow.
So, give it love. Lakini he. Naonaje?
This stuff here. Cha kwanza ni pose cam. Man, I'm totally confused with some color. Hii ni kama yetu yenye iko hapo ndani. Pana. Na hii ni duve. Ah,
Hiyo ni
maana hakuna kitu ndani.
hiyo inakuaga fiber.
Fiber? As in?
Fiber ni unaona manyoya kama manyoya hivi.
Yes, and then guys, I'm trying maybe nani shingapi?
Hiyo ni 150.
Mbili. Hey.
Hiyo ni 150.
Guys, I have some small money here, so I'm trying to manage on budget. Hey. Man, in terms of color, we have pink, we have blue, but it has some stars, and this have some love. But in terms of color, man, so let's see in terms of color. In terms of color, so we have here pink, we have blue, we have all types of color. And maybe, ladies, in terms of color, you are the best. So I want to know in the comment section. Maybe next time when I came here, I want to know. Maybe this one, we have this one, every color. Look. Wow. So even this one here. You have much of them here. More stuff. So I need to know in the comment section. So, but for me, I'm trying this one because there is a surprise by itself, so I need to surprise my mom right now. So I'm in Boratang here on this shop. Wow. So let's wipe because outside this is a polythene bag, so outside it has a lot of dust, you can see. So they need to wipe them. And as we move on, wow, hey, man, this bag, briefcase bag, it's nice for traveling. Hey, bag ni shingapi? Eh, 3,000. 5,000 kwa inabeba bike ya this 5,000. Na hii? Na hii?
Hiyo ni 3,800.
Sasa hii nitaweka nguo ndani.
Kwani unaweka nini?
Sasa unajua nina nguo mingi.
Hii ndio ya kwanza kwa saduku zote zenye zinakuaga.
Kwa nguo mingi. Nguo kikunja zinajua kanakuwa kadogo.
So guys, I need this stuff.
Mimi hata sijui kama yangu inaizia. Zangu hata sijui kama inaizia.
Okay. So it's 5,000. So maybe next time when I get money, I come and purchase this because most of the time I put my clothes on chairs. So next, when I get some money, I can purchase that bag. It's 5,000, and maybe when we negotiate, you can bought around 4,700, almost there. When I'm not wrong. But right now, today, it's a surprise by my mom over here. So let's check. But I'm tried this color, but this one I'm not perfect. I'm not love it. So let's try this and we negotiate. It's 2,000, so you must negotiate, so it's not like when the owner said 2,000 and you are only to give 2,000. You must negotiate, So I'm trying. So I'm trying to convert something here. So okay, moja ndio tuongee basi biashara. Banguzie hii. So I'm calling the owner to wipe this. Wow. Banguzie basi hapo tufanye biashara. Hizo ni customer wangu. Mama nipinga tu. Customer wangu. Patia yule kijana.
Eh?
Yeah.
Wewe time akikuja.
So it's time to pay the money and I left this, so I feel like I'm hungry like a goat.
Kuja ununue carpet hapo na.
Alright guys, so I pay the money, so I need the change.
Wagits.
Okay. Don't keep it VP. So man, this is the surprise for my mom here. Twende basi.
Kama change.
Change ni mkire. Oh yeah, sawa. This is another surprise for my mom here. Okay. How they cut? Hey. Nitakuletea mfuko afu ni pera. Right. Hey. Wow, beautiful clothes, mattress. So I'm going back home to do 1, 2, 3. So this is my surprise of my mom over here. Right. Let's go. Mattress over there. But one day I'll come and purchase a mattress here, over here. Wow. So I'm just going back home. So guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm back home with this surprise. So I'm not blagging things. So I need to sit down my mom. Come on, so I'm sending that my friend of mine to see whether my mom she was around. And then guys, guess what? I want to know in the comment section, what do you think about these videos? Kindly give a like, comment, and also share. So this is a surprise by itself. And man, the way you're supporting me, I will supporting my mom. In other way, you're supporting me by watching my videos from the first up to the end, and I really appreciate. Mama Mwari. So okay, sorry for the vernacular language. So I'm asking my friend whether my mom was inside. So he told me he wanna be giving him some information. Before he got inside to my house, so I need to check it out my mom and then to have the own surprise. The own surprise. Wow. Man, I'm so happy. Yes. Hey. So my mom, she was coming from right there. Tap kidogo. Hey. Susanga hapa karibu mama. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay man, when my mom saw some surprise, she wanna smile. She can be smiling a lot, 100%. So mama kitu ni ya kufungua mzigo pole pole. So my mom, she wanna do an unboxing surprise. Before you do that, mom, so do this way and then hold like this. Just song hapa mama. Guys, I'm struggling with my village mom here. I need to get a thumbnail. Song hapa mama, pamuri. Yes. Inua hivi sasa, shikilia hivi. Mzigo wako. Guys, I'm struggling with my biological mother yet to get a thumbnail. Alright, so I wanna say yes. Okay, haya mama, unaweza fungua. Okay. Pole pole mama jamani. Hey. So she wanna unboxing this surprise. Mikono ni misafi. Eh. All right, man. So let me know in the comment section what did you think about these videos. So this is some polythene bag here. Oh. Hey. Guys, this is brand new. So I want to cover my mom like this. You know, in our culture, it's allowed to do like this. It's allowed to do like this, guys. You know, this is my biological mother here. Hey guys, I'm very happy, man, to surprise my mom with this blanket, and it's so expensive. I'm not blagging things. So my mama, hey. All right, man. Okay. Unaweza ambia nini watu?
Asante.
So I'm asking my mom, what can you tell about my people? So I'm saying thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Right there. Okay, so you wanna say thank you so much. And that's my brother here. That's our second born. So I'm the first born, and that's the second born, and we have the third born, and the last born. She was a beautiful lady here, my young sister. Hey, hey, even my mom, she don't want to remove this stuff, man. All right, guys. So this video, it's all about how to surprise my mom. So I wanna say happy mom, proud mom, like that way. I wanna say go inside. My mama, she can't believe this to be happening, man. So thank you so much. But more amazing videos coming from now, guys. So guys, after surprising my mom, so I'm going to the river, but I'm heading this way. So you know, in our village here, when I have something, I can support each other. So there is one of my neighbor, she's a lady, she took my clothes, everything I give her to wash them, and that's the source of income. So when they wash my clothes, I pay him some money, because that's the best way she can get money, you know. So that is it. So I'm heading this way. Wow, so we have a small road here this way. So that's the small channel of the road. So I'm going to the river. Wow, this is my goat over here. Wow, this is my brother's goat over here. So let's go. So I need to check all my goats here. So right now I have 3 of them. Yes, what's up? So everything should be okay. Wow, so I'm heading to the river to see whether she have already finished to wash my clothes and all my stuff, man. So because my clothes were too dirty, and it's so many clothes, and I feel like I'm so tired, I can't wash it. Like yesterday, the reason why I didn't upload my videos is because I feel headache. I sleep almost 6 hours from morning up to noon time without wake up. So because of headache, boom headache, you know. So but I took my some tablets. So it's during the morning I feel like I'm recover. I have some quick recover. So that's why I'm shooting these videos and making a surprise to my mom. So that lady, she came in the morning because yesterday I was calling her, and then she told me she have a lot of work to do. but she wanna come tomorrow, which is today. So I give her some clothes to wash for me, and then maybe right now I'm gonna check it and pay that money, you know. Well, so this is how my village looks like. Green, pure green, and this land have been already been bought, so you can see some barbed wire here. So it's almost 2 hectares up to other side going that way, you know. Right. Tosirare. Ekyore. Hola, hola.
Kwema.
Kwema. So Kwema, it's Wagwan. Big up. So I'm almost there. So even you guys, you can try to imagine from home up to the river, you can walk half an hour to fetch some water. It's a distance. It's a distance, man. So, but it is what it is. So I'm almost. So when I'm going that way, and then I go downwards. So this banana plantation over here. Look, alongside the road, we call Matoke in Uganda over here. So, but when I'm going deep, and I'm showing you banana plantation. This road we are going to Nyabuhanse, but this one I'm using going to the river. Going to the river. Hey. So I need to check. She went with my sister and also some friend to my sister. Well, I need to check it. Oh my god, because the road was too bad. But I need it's okay. So there's some plants, banana plantation over here. Over here. We have another one over here. Guys, this is my clothes over here, and this is the lady that I was talking about it. So she came to wash my clothes and to get some source of income. So you can see, so we have a lot of clothes from here coming that way, and then even this one is mine. Wow. And then in case you're new here, you have already watched my videos. This is my shirt. This one here. This one. Hey, my beloved shirt. Wow. This is my trouser. These are jeans. So it gives a lot of hectic to wash them. Oh. So after this, I wanna pay him some money. Or have some money. Guys, this is my sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Narafu woge. Woge ndujo. Eti? Acha ukana hapo sijua mke. Kidding my sister. So I'm telling her after this they must take shower. So when she came back home, so they need to change new uniform. Yabona ngari gukura utana haraka. Yep. Afuta tu chikamora. Pero ni casi a hugo. Okay. So after this, I'm going to Nyabuhanse to look some money, and then I come and pay her later on. Okay. So okay. So guys, let's go back home. Okay, this is another banana plantation over here. We have a lot of them, 1 hectares inside here. So guys, I'm going back home. I have already came and checked all my stuff. I think everything should be okay. Wow. So I was struggling with some light here. Hey, it's a bad road and it's a hill from down, deep down, going this way. It's a deep hill, but when going downward, it's a deep slant. But when coming upward, it's a hill. Wow. Oh man, I feel like I'm tired. But sorry guys, but I want to show you some amazing content to experience in my village here, about my life, about my culture. But here no washing machine like that lady. She wanna use a bare hand to wash my clothes, and when I have something, that's the reason why it's too many of my the clothes were too dirty. Too many of them are too dirty, because I didn't have the money. So I wear, I keep it. I wear, I keep it until when I get the money. So I decide my clothes to be washed, you know. So I know how to wash my clothes, but when I see some lady like that struggle around my village and she was my neighbor, I'm saying no, have this, wash my clothes, and then I'll give you something, you know. All right, guys. So I wanna end this video here by so sorry guys. I don't want to end this video here, but I'm going back home to take my breakfast. I feel like I'm so hungry and I'm so tired like a goat. But let's have some cup of tea, and I will end my video around at my house. So guys, I wanna say stay tuned. so guys, after from the river, I had my mom, she wanna say they want to make hair, maybe going to the salonist. So it's $1 USD money. So she need to make the hair. And then tomorrow is on Sunday. Today is on Saturday. If you are a servant or SDA, and thank you so much. But tomorrow it's on Sunday. My mom she's on a Roma Catholic. If you are a Roma, comment on the comment section. If you are a servant, also comment. So I need my mom maybe today, not maybe today, she wanna make her hair look so beautiful. And imagine guys, the good thing is half USD money. You take, man. This is 100 bob, man. Kenyan shillings. Go and make hair. Okay. Alright guys, so let me go inside to have something. You know, I feel like I'm hungry. So that's how I support my mom. Oh, they closed here. So that's how I support my mom. And on these videos, if you are watching keenly, surprise after surprise, and then I support her to go and make hair. Even me, I've already removed my hairstyle, but I will make it soon. Mama fungua hapa basi. Over here, my mom they putting some, they mix, we call it githeri, the mixture of beans and maize. You wanna see over here. So let me use the cooking stick to show you before I'm going to take look. Right. Oh. Wow. Right, so I need to light some fire over here because wow. So this is our supper. Okay. So that's how I light some fire here. How we light our fire in our village here, guys. So I need to take our breakfast. There's some plate, some cup over here. Wow, guys. In case you're new here, welcome to my house. This is where I'm living. I'm doing everything. I have some special chairs. I want to show you everything. I have my TV, table, flowers. But let's have some breakfast. So this is my bread here. We call United Premier Bread. Sliced sweet. And I need to check some manufactured 21st John 2024, and before 27. Alright, so today is 22nd, so we have more days. And here is my tea, the mix of milk and sugar. You have some milk tea. Wow. So I want to have my breakfast like that, and this is my bread here. And try to imagine this bread is 400 grams, and I bought this bread around half USD money, so not too much money. So guys, let's have some breakfast. Oh, and first things to pray. Oh, Father, bless this food before I take it. Amen. In Jesus' name, amen. Though, so that's the sign of Roma or Catholic Church. You must do so. Right. Wow. It tastes so sweet. So guys, I want to say thank you so much. May God bless you. I want to say bye bye. Let's meet for the next video, which is tomorrow, by God's grace, guys. Bye bye.